Medyo naliligaw kami. Hey! Hey! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hi! Sabi nila, sobrang ganda raw sa Kyoto. Hindi ka pwedeng lumalis na Osaka without visiting Kyoto. So, let's try.
Gets. Tapos sa Amante, baba tayo. Lupa tayo ng Osaka.
Guys, may mga Pinoy sa likod namin. Sorry. One station to go, then Kyoto na. Bilis lang ng biyahe namin. So far, maganda naman yung weather. Who will take the stairs? Oh. But it's raining. You cannot take the stairs, it's raining. It's raining. So guys, ito yung challenge. Akitin namin itong highest stairs. It's highest. Ang extra challenge is it's raining. Tapos bibilangin natin kung ilang steps to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12. 87. 87. Tapos isa nag-escalator na. 9 steps later. 159. 71. Para feeling ko mali ako ng bilang. 171. 80. My count is 199. Ano ba? Ilang steps na to? Oh! Taas nun. 199. Plus it's raining. Pero mas okay na yung raining kaysa... Okay, eating time.
Dito marami na kayo.
Hindi ko alam kung mabigat yung pintuan, no? Wala na akong lakas. Hey, here. Congrats. 8-9. So 8-9. Pero sa Tokyo, pwede ba? Acceptable pa sa Tokyo? Ang card ba na to, pwede sa Tokyo? Is this one? Ay, kidding. Stay in the front. Stay in front. Raining. Ah, it's raining, raining. Ayan, there's your umbrella. What are they doing? Again. Wash your hands.
Tayo. So, ano? Ano?
Sige. Ganyan. Wow. Nice. Up next, Golden Temple. Temple ba? Castle? Golden Castle. Golden Temple. Is it made of gold? Mission complete. Nagkaroon ng konting aberya. PA got wet. Tapos pinaltos yung paa. So we had to put bandage. Kaya nga ang bulky nito eh. Ay, dito pala. Ay, hindi.
Ano?
Sabi, bus. Okay. Guys, medyo naliligaw kami. No English. See, ba't di ka na namin sumakay ng maling bus? Nishagamo. So, Nishagamo.
Bye-bye.
Matane. Yan, tama. Yes, thank you, Lord. Shinaobashi. Look.
Congrats.
I'm on the right track, baby. I'm going this way. 4 stops.
4 stops.
Tuloy.
Kasi guys, if magdi-DIY kayo, like no plans at all, exciting to. You know, basta meron ka ng Google Maps app, buhay na buhay ka. So there, pag accurate naman siya no? Very accurate yung Google Maps, in fairness. Tapos, yun nga lang talagang don't hesitate to ask. Kasi minsan may mga hapon naman na marunong mag-English. So, yeah. Ako, medyo parok-parok.
Mabait naman sila eh.
Kaya lang kawawa sila pag hindi nila nasasabi.
So, next problem namin, hindi pa naman. Ang next problem is, paano kami uuwi habang biyahe ito? Pero okay lang. Kasi wala nang tourist sa area na to. Na lang, commute. So this is the entrance. That's a must try.
Let's go.
This is a ticket. Big ticket.
What? No more na.
We close our umbrellas here. Do not drag your feet. Here we go. First time. Let's see this. That's scary. basta sit, okay siya. Who's gonna win? Oh. Ah. Just a split second.